We're just coming through a checkpoint now. This is the main train station here in Lviv, Ukraine, on the western border of Poland. And there's an active air siren going on right now. It could indicate that there's a threat, either airstrike or possibly cruise missile coming in right now. Many of the people don't seem too distressed, and the reason is they're experiencing this all the time. They're getting it in the morning, they're getting it in the evenings. Here in the afternoon, it's unusual that there would be a strike, but who knows? Andre, how often are you getting sirens on any average day?
3, 4.
4 times a day? And how often do they actually lead to any damage?
Well, it's 8 times of 10, we're good.
Yeah. So you just never know. Down here is the Lviv main train station. And fortunately, that's not a target yet. They haven't been striking civilian transportation nodes yet. So buses, trolleys, people are moving. I want you to understand something right now. This is very important. This is Lviv. This is on the far western side of Ukraine. Kherson, Kharkiv, Mariupol, Odessa, Kyiv. This is going on every day. But in those cities, there are actual strikes. So that's what's going on here, people. It's real. Please help us.